Today I want to do a simple red lipstick makeup because I think red lipstick is very classic and very sexy. It's also very versatile. Let's get started. I'm using this ILIA new foundation. I really love this because it also has SPF 40, so it's called Super Serum Skin Tint, and also include hyaluronic acid, and all the good stuff is in this small bottle. You can see after using it, my face is really shining. And my next step is concealer. And I'm using this RMS Beauty. Just use a little bit. Just tap it under my eyes. Because I want to do like bold red lipstick, and I want to focus on my lips, so I'm not doing too much on my eye makeup, but I do want my eyebrows to have this thick look. So for eyebrows, I'm using Hourglass and also Sephora. This is a little red color. I like a reddish brown color. I might need to cover it up. I'm using Hourglass to cover up some color in the end. So it has this very thick effect. I'm using this brush to brush it off. Now let's move on to eyes. So I'm not gonna use very dark eyeshadow, but I still want something like glossy, like a highlight. The first thing, I'm gonna use a primer. And this can be just my eyeshadow. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add some shimmer to it, so I'm gonna use this color. Tap, tap. Now I'll move on to eyeliner. And now is eyelash color. Dior mascara. I want this to be a really natural look, so I'm gonna add some browns. And because it's summer, even though I don't go outside that often, but I still want some glow and some browns on my face. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury palette. This palette is really pretty. This is the highlighter, and this is the bronze color. I'm gonna use this highlight color. Use the Scott color. It's not really dark, so I can just use it as a blush. To get a little bronze color. Okay, now move on to red lipstick. Before doing that, I want to show you this really glossy lip gloss. It's like a purple color. Sometimes I like to put this on my eyes too. Oh my god. This is why we play makeup, because it's so much fun. What do you think? Maybe I don't need red lipstick. Okay, so this is the base. I don't know why I did that, but maybe it doesn't work with my red lipstick, but we'll see. And this is Rouge palette. I might do a swatch because I have another palette, another Rouge palette. This is the second palette that came out. I also have a first one. And let me know if you want a Rouge palette swatch, and I'll do that next week maybe. So this is really like a pink color, but this color is my favorite. I also don't know what the name this color is because it doesn't have info on this palette and I didn't find it online, which is weird. So I'm gonna combine this color and this color because this color is the true red and this one's a little dark, but I think it fits me. So yeah. It's so easy to draw on your lips, which is amazing. And then I'm adding this color. So this is today's look. Hope you like it. It's a really bold red lipstick, I think. And let me know what your favorite look for the summer is. And it's getting really warm here in New York. I can't wait to go outside and start enjoying summertime. Hope you're well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.